Alright folks, TFG and Mike from the GeekCast Radio Network. This one is a must-catch stars level. I have just been plugging away at the podcast editing right now. I've got a bunch of podcasts I have to edit and get online and all that good stuff over at GeekCastRadio.com. Hope everyone's having an excellent day, whatever day you're seeing this. I'm actually recording this on a Saturday. I'm not going to say what day, or date, I should say, but yeah, it's Saturday here in Indiana, so that's what's going on with me. Hope everything's going well with everybody, and yeah, just must catch these stars here. There we go, come on. Second star caught, and straight on till morning. Wait, that's not how that goes. There we go.
Who wants some chicken?
Alright. Beat stupid clock. Yeah, we can do this one.
Are you ready?
Sure, why not?
Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies? Sup, ladies?
Wow, those sup ladies go fast.
Sup, ladies? Holy crap! Sup, ladies?
They really do.
Sup, ladies?
I don't know why they go that fast, but they do. Well, I know why they go that fast. It's only 3 of them. Alright, folks, 1569 and 1570 in the books, and oh my god, it's not gonna be a blah 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 blah. Blah 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 blah.